On the southern edge of the Papamoa Eastern Link, the Rangiuru Business Park will help accommodate the growth of the Port of Tauranga as well as business expansion of the local area. To give better access to the business park, the Rangiuru Interchange will comprise on and off ramps in both directions from the Papamoa Eastern Link. An overbridge will span the motorway, which will require bridge abutments to raise the road to meet the new bridge. Requiring a quick to construct, robust, cost-effective solution that could withstand high traffic loading, two MSC bridge abutments were designed using 90-degree DuraMesh panels with StrataGrid geogrid reinforcement strips, with an attached tilt slab concrete fascia. Approximately 11.5 metres wide and 9 metres high, the abutment would also have two 9.6 metre long wing walls at 90 degrees to the main face. Supported by 600mm geogrid lifts, each leading DuraMesh wall will also have to be built around the piling supporting the main bridge structure in order for the abutments and supporting road to meet the edge of the overbridge. This meant an intricate detailing for the StrataGrid strips being laid out in perpendicular directions to support each of the DuraMesh walls. Built on a load transfer platform to give a solid structure underneath, the DuraMesh panels act primarily as a construction aid for the 90-degree StrataGrid geogrid rack. Easily cut and hog-tied together, DuraMesh also allowed for easy construction of the 90-degree corners around the bridge piles. The accuracy in which the DuraMesh is placed also meant the construction crews were able to raise the vertical wall to precisely meet the bridge superstructure. Locally sourced pumice, which is light and strong, was used for the engineered fill, saving money on cartage. Once compacted, the platform was also solid enough for large machinery to drive on, with concrete tilt slabs placed as soon as the DuraMesh MSC wall with StrataGrid was complete. With relative proximity to the Port of Tauranga, the Rangiuru Business Park will become a hub for local business. And thanks to the DuraMesh reinforced soil system with StrataGrid, road users will have easy access on the business park to all parts of the Bay of Plenty.